7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we came out to LA, 3 hours drive with the guys. We came out because we are going to be checking out this truck, which I did just buy another truck, but I am going to be looking into another one. So stay tuned guys. I'm going to check it out, and let's see how it goes. Down the street. Where's it at? The fuck, a squirrel, look at it.
Oh, if we jump. Then like
Where's that? So guys, it's right there.
Jeep SRT.
Hey guys, this is the cash. We are gonna be getting this truck, so stay tuned on what truck it is and what build it's gonna be for the vlog. Stay tuned. So guys, this is a truck that we are getting. Bumper delete in the back, 24s, snowflakes, already has an exhaust. I think he said Borla. It's a 6.0 with the 480 stock converter. It's a GMC front end. I'll show you guys right now. The paint all around is clean, nothing wrong. The bed, it's clean too. Check out the inside. Everything looks nice and clean. Like I said, on these trucks, I am going to be doing a whole transformation. What do you think? It's cool or what? I'll let you drive it right now. We're on the way back, trust. Check it out. This is the truck. We are going to be putting gas right now. I'm just waiting for him to move. These wheels, I am going to be getting rid of them because I don't really like the flake or the snowflakes. Hey, what do you think about the truck? What do you think? It's cool or what?
Yeah.
So like I told you guys, I always been wanting a GMC front end. I am going to be doing the SS look with a hood from Street Concept. And hopefully down the road I will be getting the sunroof, the starlights, and the 3-piece tie-in window in the back. Check out the back. It's all stock all around. Not stock, but it does have a 6.0 480 stage 4 cam. I am going to be putting the 40K cooler in the front. It has the front HD front end already. Check it out guys, it's a nice truck. These are going to be getting replaced. First time putting gas in this truck. Like I said, stay tuned on this build. Look it. Sheesh. Well guys, this is how it sounds. Listen to her. Has a big old screen. Look at it. Throwing cold AC, throws hot and cold. It's a cool truck. The only thing that sucks is that these are manual windows, so you gotta roll them up like this. But he does have this thing already, so I just gotta rewire them up, have someone do it. Oh, they'll be solid. You even got the snake skin or crocodile. We just killed a crocodile or some shit. Nah, but I am gonna be taking this off. Right. So guys, we just pulled up to Los Red Tacos here in LA. Bruh, look at, they got us working in here. I'm gonna start getting ripped by my arms with this shit. That's the only thing I don't like, but they did add this. I just gotta rewire all this stuff. But the truck made it so far to LA. It was like an hour away from LA, so it made it. should fall asleep.
I didn't fall asleep.
He did.
I just
This thing's, I don't know if it has locks. Lock it, just put the thing, yeah. Yeah, so you guys, I need to put an alarm to Teddy's Red Tacos. There you go. Yeah. Lock it. That was a cool drive. So we came to eat right here. This is all sleepy. Check out the truck. I walked out, I can't come back in. Check out the truck. The new build. You already know. With the Camry in the back. The daily. Sheesh. How to switch it up. How to get a GMC. Because I have 2 Chevys already. How to switch it up. Get a different look. This one looks clean. Stay tuned on this build, guys. So guys, we are headed back home. We just ate. I didn't record it, but we just ate. Got a lot of stuff planned for this truck. I look like that. But we are on our way home. I do first, before anything, I do gotta get this truck tuned because it is soggy right now. It feels weird with this 6.0. So I gotta get that, and then for sure a stall. I'll probably go with the 3200 or a 3600.
OG Panda Beat.
So guys, we got not into town, but we are like 20 minutes away. Truck is still running good without the tune. Let's take it home. Let's take it home. Guys, we made it to town. Truck made it. Check it out. Check it out. Yeah, the black Crocs. Maybe later on down the road, I am gonna be changing the exhaust. It sounds nice, but I don't really like it. I like how my black one sounds better. Let's just fall asleep like 2 times.
It's slammy, bro. It's just fucking fast.
It's fast, huh? I told you. It's gonna rev it. Let's see how loud is it. It's not loud. It's not loud. Not that loud. Exhaust.
I got the plastic there.
Oh, I'm gonna stall it. I don't know.
What am I checking? Piece.
The green one?
No, the black one. That shit was bad. Black?
Yeah,
Black
yeah, it is. It's still black. Let me know, guys, if I should put these rims on the black truck before I sell them. And then I'll be getting the truck back next week. So stay tuned, guys. Number 5. That's what it's gonna be. Number 5. Guys, we are gonna be taking it to go with my girl. She's gonna be the first one to, not the first one, but she's gonna be the one to see it. She hasn't seen it. I haven't showed her pictures, so I'm gonna show her when I get there how to drop off the boys. They're the ones who took it. They're the ones who came with me to check it out. My face is hella oily. I look tired. But guys, we are on our way. So what do you think? What do you think? Yeah, I know. So, what do you think about the new truck?
I like it so far.
Yes or what?
Yeah.
Hey, I don't like GMC.
That's nice.
That's a good one. Look at the cluster.
Yeah, I know.
I like the thing, but I told her dad that I don't really like it because it's it's Android. It's not Apple.
Yeah.
So I want to swap it out.
For Apple.
Yeah.
Yeah, Android.
Everything's good. The crocodile. This is the third build. The third truck that's cammed. It might be my daily. The green one might be the show one. The black one's gonna be the pit, the burnout show pit, and then this one's gonna be the baby by daily. So guys, we made it home. They added the streets sign again. I gotta cover that. But guys, out of sunroof, change the grill, change the hood, stay with the bumper, connect those headlights.
Different rims for sure.
Yeah, different rims. I'll probably wrap that the same color or painter. Yes, different headliner. I'll probably have to stay with the stock look. And yeah, check it out, guys. This paint is solid. Roger told me that one of the light bulbs is out.
Oh, this one's out.
So I gotta change it out.
The signal works, but the brake doesn't.
Yeah. I'll install the wing, the SS wing. Nice. Might do a 3-piece in the back. Yes, sir. This cluster, I didn't even see this. Now that it's getting darker, it looks dope. Cause it's like all LED. I didn't see that. The thing looks nice. I like it. Looks sick. Hear that chop though? You guys hear it? It still needs a tune, like I said. I'll probably take it to get a tune and get a stall before. I think it's in there. Check out her Instagram and follow. Let's get her to 100K. She's almost there. She's halfway there. So this the support and let's get her to 100K ASAP. No rock. We are gonna be taking this truck for a spin. Never mind.
Let's go in my car.
What?
Let's go in my car.
So guys, no, I don't think so. We're chilling.
Yeah.
No, we're chilling.
Babe, trust, we're not chilling.
Trust. Let's go.
It doesn't have insurance or nothing.
Okay, well, I'm gonna just say I barely bought it today. What do you want me to do? Scooby Doo. Give it like 2 more sacks. We want to say thank you for the support and for everything going. Stay tuned for each vlog. We are getting there slowly but surely. We got 3 builds already, so stay tuned. This one's gonna be going to other shops too, which the other 2 are out of shop. One, the green one, that's Sandia, is at Jabs, and the other one is at Street Concept. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Thank you guys, and we are out.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
They will be out in stock. Get them soon because they are limited edition. Check them out. Look it, they got the green print. It's in the swallow hand, and then this is the back. These are brand new that came out, so make sure to copy one. These are brand new. Got the front end of La Sandia, so make sure to copy your merch at our website. I will put it right here. Check us out, copy merch, and get entered to the giveaway because this month is the last month to be entered. So stay tuned, guys. Make sure to get entered. Last month to join. We got a lot of shirts, so get your shirt.